Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a unique, eye-catching chart in Google Sheets that grows diagonally. It's different from the usual bar or line charts, and it's based on something called taxicab geometry. Don't worry, you don't need to understand the math behind it. We've done all the heavy lifting. And here's the best part. We'll give you a sample sheet to play with, so you can dive right in. Step 1. Set up the basics. To start, open your Google Sheet and go to the area where you want to create the chart. You'll need to adjust the row height and column width to make a grid of square cells. This creates a neat, tiled look for each percentage block. Step 2. Copy the formula. We've written a special formula that will fill in the grid with ones and zeros to make this diagonal shape. Just copy the formula we'll provide and paste it into the starting cell of your grid. Note, in this video, we won't be diving into the formula itself. Just think of it as a bit of magic that makes this unique pattern work. Step 3. Conditional formatting. Let's add some color to bring your chart to life. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Here, set up a rule so that cells with a value of 1 are filled with a specific color, and cells with 0 are left blank. Choose colors that represent different percentages or groups. You can also use colors to match the sample we'll share. Here's a little trick to make the chart look cleaner. We'll hide the numbers in each cell, so only the colors show. To do this, select your entire grid and go to Format, Number, Custom Number Format. In the box that appears, enter 3 semicolons and press Apply. This will hide the numbers in the cells, making the chart look like a solid color block without any distracting values showing. It's a simple step, but it really gives your chart a polished look. Step 4. Experiment with your values. Once the conditional formatting is set up, all you have to do is adjust the percentage or value you want the chart to represent. The formula will automatically update the grid to match, showing the exact percentage visually. And that's it. You now have a diagonal grid chart in Google Sheets that's both unique and easy to create. If you want to get this ready-made chart, go to the extensions Cooltables menu in your Google Sheet. You'll find a link in the description below to get the add-on, which includes a sample template and many more. Thanks for watching. Now you can impress with a one-of-a-kind chart in Google Sheets. Happy charting!